Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast.
Hi, friends. We are so happy to have you here today.
Today's topic is very important for every English learner.
Yes, today we are going to learn how to talk about yourself in English.
This is the first thing people usually ask you.
Exactly. In interviews, meetings, classrooms, or even with new friends.
Laura, let's start with a simple question.
Okay, go ahead.
Can you introduce yourself?
Sure. I will start with a very simple introduction. Hello, my name is Laura. I am 23 years old. I am from New York. I am a student. Nice to meet you.
That was simple and perfect.
Yes, when you are a beginner, short sentences are best.
Now I will introduce myself. Hello, my name is Ben. I am 26 years old. I am from London. I am learning English. Nice to meet you.
Great job. Now let's talk about your name.
People may ask, what is your name? May I know your name?
You can answer like this. My name is Laura, or I'm Laura.
You can also add meaning or nickname. My full name is Ben Will, but you can call me Ben.
Very natural English.
Next question is about age.
People may ask, how old are you?
You can answer, I am 26 years old.
Simple and clear.
If you don't want to say exact age, you can say, I'm in my 20s.
Nice tip. Another very common question. Where are you from?
You can say, I am from London.
You can also add more details. I am from London, the capital city of England.
That sounds confident and fluent.
Now let's talk about work or studies.
People may ask, what do you do?
If you are a student, say, I am a student. I study English literature.
If you are working, I work as a teacher. I am an engineer. I work in an IT company.
Very useful for interviews.
Now let's make your introduction more interesting.
Yes, talk about your daily routine. I wake up early in the morning. I go for a walk. Then I study and attend classes.
Nice and simple sentences. I wake up at 6 a.m. I exercise every day. I work from 9 to 5.
People love talking about hobbies.
They may ask, what are your hobbies?
You can say, I like reading books. I enjoy listening to music. I love traveling.
My hobbies are playing cricket and learning new skills.
That sounds great.
Now let's talk about likes and dislikes.
You can say, I like coffee. I love nature. I enjoy peaceful places.
For dislikes, I don't like loud noise. I dislike junk food.
Very natural English. Another common topic is family.
People may ask, tell me about your family.
You can say, I live with my family. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a teacher.
I have a small family. We are very close. Now let's level up your English.
Yes, let's talk about dreams. My dream is to become a successful teacher.
My goal is to speak English fluently.
Beautiful sentence for learners.
Now, Laura, can you give a full introduction?
Sure. Hello, my name is Laura. I am 24 years old. I am from London. I am a student. I like reading books and traveling. Nice to meet you.
Perfect for beginners. Now I will try an intermediate level. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from London. I work as a content creator. I enjoy learning English and teaching others. In my free time, I listen to music and read books.
Very fluent and confident. Let's talk about common mistakes. My name Ben. Wrong. My name is Ben. I am belong to New York. Wrong. I am from New York.
Grammar matters, friends.
Now it's your turn.
Pause the video and try to introduce yourself.
Speak slowly and confidently.
Remember one thing:
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
English improves with practice.
Speak every day, even if it's simple.
That's all for today.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you like this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe.
See you in the next episode.